Hi guys, today we learn if and formula with round formula. How basically it's work. Like we have data here. Here is a employee name. Here is a employee. Here is employee ID. Here is employee name, and here is a score, sales score. Like Jin sales score is this. Fave sales score is this. March sales score is this, right? But we just wanted to give some incentive to them, like who is eligible for the incentive or not, as per the score. So score criteria is equal to 85 or more than 85. So how basically we'll get the data, like, so with the formula, here is the formula, like here is a 84.5. So if we'll want to take this in round figure, so it would be in 85, and it is 86.8, so it would be 87 in round figure. It is 84.5, it would be 85 as well. But in terms of Raj, if there is a 83.6, so it would be 84 in that way, right? So if you will go to change this manually, it will take more time, but we will not change this manually, we will change it with the help of formula. So here is the formula, like if and if and is our condition. Now we have to use round because we want to take every numbers in round figure. So here is a round formula we'll use with the if and. Round is asking for number, so number would be my this reference, and now comma 0. So the condition is like that, if the 84.5, this means 85 is equal to or greater than 85 is our first logic. Now we will go for second logic, comma second logic. Second logic is the same this. So first we have to take this number in round figure, so we have to use round formula here. Round this, comma 0, close the bracket, if this is equal to or greater than as well as like 85. Then we have to use third logic here. Third is, again we have to use round formula, and we have to just click on our third condition, which is this, comma 0. Now this is also is equal to or greater than 85. So if this condition meet, so the person would be eligible for the incentive. If this condition would not be met, so not eligible, like this. Just bracket. Here we'll get your data ready. Just you copy and paste in entire row. So if we'll talk about data, he is eligible. Vicky is eligible. How it's eligible? Because he's 84.5. That means in round figure 85. 86.8. That means 87. And 84.5. That means in round figure 85. So he's equal to or greater than 85%. So that's why he's eligible. So in terms of Raj, the first score, the Gen Cells score is 83.6, and Fav is 86.8 and 84.5. So he is meeting only in March score, sales score, but he is not meeting Gen Fav score. That's why he is not eligible. So our condition was that, yeah, we have to meet every month sales score. Then the person would be eligible for the incentive. So your data is like that. Thank you.